I'm there with you all once again. Rather, I'm going to be there with you daily. Okay, now I'm going to say something. You're going to tell me what it is. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So she bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter. So she bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. These are tongue twisters. One more for you. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. Now you see, the problem of S and S, sh and sir, would be solved by saying this tongue twister. And then these tongue twisters make you stay with the language. The more and more you are there speaking English, saying something in English, rattling out something in English is going to make you feel more comfortable with the language because you're speaking it, you're doing something, and doing makes things happen. Okay, we work for a reward. Humans work for a reward. And let me tell you, the rewards of speaking in English are far too many. They are so ample, they are so many that to have good communication skills is the first utmost requirement. It holds a terrible importance, a paramount importance in our lives. You see, to get a good job, to get acknowledged in the society, to interact with people, to give your mindset to the other person. Well, let me tell you one thing. English is what? English is the working language of today. It is lingua franca. It is the language which is worldwide accepted. Well, why should a language be worldwide accepted? You see, before learning a particular thing, we must get inspired and know the qualities of that particular thing. So you see, English being a working language of today and a language which is worldwide accepted, there are no two means by which we can say that we don't want to practice it or we don't want to do it. If we want to make our existence, if we want to make ourselves noticed, if we want to do well in life, if we want to get a good secure job, it all boils down to one thing, and that is speaking in good English. And I've been telling you, being confident, speaking in English will give you a marginal amount of confidence. Yes, your subject matter, your delivery, your IQ quotient, your body language, your personality all go hand in hand. But communication skills are very important because this is what is going to the other person, to the other party, to the other people. This is your presentation. And when all of the world, this language is accepted so well, we have no business not to learn it. You should not have an iota of doubt, that you can do without English. Let me tell you, we cannot do without English. As we cannot do without God, we cannot do without praying, we cannot do without being honest, we cannot do without being kind, we cannot do without doing things. Same way, we cannot do without English. So it has an utmost importance. And to learn and master the skill of speaking English, the only way is just speak. That's what I've been stressing to you all. Have an environment, create an environment, and continuously speak. Enhance your reading skills. Read a lot. By reading also, you'll be able to learn so many things. You see, by learning all those big words and not using them, it's of just no use. I got the environment because in my house we had that kind of a thing. My mother used to speak a lot of English, my father being an army officer, my husband being an army officer, they all were speaking in English. And I studied in a convent. In my formative years, I was in a convent for about till my 8th standard. And that helped me a lot, because in St. Mary's they never used to let us speak any other language other than English. So it was a mother tongue. For those 8 hours when we were in school, there was no other way to communicate with anybody else. There was a fine. It was just not acceptable that we will speak in any other language. So the moment you people start doing that, to speak in current English and in English only, to have that environment, this is very, very important. What will happen max to max? You'll be speaking a little incorrect, but then slowly, gradually, you'll pick up. It's very easy to create simple sentences, and you have to start thinking a lot. These days, what we are doing, we are busy with our mobiles, we are not chatting with anybody, we're not talking, we are only texting, text messages online. We are believing on all this only, we are not listening to what is required, and because of that there is a void, there's a vacuum in our lives. Earlier we were going to the garden, talking to the talking to old people, talking to young people. You see, now what I'm trying to tell you is that we have to be interactive. What boils down to this is that we need to interact as humans with each other. We have forgotten to live in company, and the system of joint families have totally diminished. Well, that was something which taught us a lot. All these magazines like Champak, Nandan, Parag, Chanda Mama, I mean, I would sound a little weird to you, but I read all these, and that too in English. So to construct those simple sentences became very easy for me. And slowly, gradually, I learnt out of that only. So now if you wherever you make a beginning, it is a beginning, it is a start. So just start on your marks, get set and go and start doing it. And I'm telling you, seeing is believing, doing is, you would do something, it's done then. And the moment you realize that, and you have your own perception, and you become oriented and targeted towards a particular thing, you'll be able to do it. Like I stress this in each of my video, not to prove that I'm an icon. I am not. I'm an old lady trying to bring home a point to you, that without preparation, I never prepared what I'm going to talk to you. This I add in each one of my video. You just try to copy our skills. It's not me only, there are innumerable of them on the YouTube and otherwise. Just don't copy them, that's a wrong word I used. Don't imitate them, but follow them. Follow us. Listen to what we are trying to tell you. Start making small sentences and start communicating with each other. Slowly, gradually, it will build up, and you will become very, very good in your spoken skills, which are very essential for you. So this was what was important. Let us revise that once again, what I started in the beginning. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so she bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. Now let's speak it a little fast. Betty bought some butter, but the butter was bitter, so she bought some better butter to make the bitter butter better. Just try it today. I'll keep giving you more and more. The other one also, let's practice it once again. She sells seashells on the seashore. She sells seashells on the seashore. These are the two. And in my next video also we'll continue with these two only, at least once more, so that you get tuned to it and you practice it. They're going to prove very helpful to you all, these tongue twisters. It was really very nice interacting with you today once again. Thank you so much.